Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change name servers in your hostinger domain. Let me search for hostinger, and after that here you can see this is official website that offers domain and hosting packages. So now let me log in, and after that you can log in with your email and password, as well as here you can see I can log in with my Google account. Okay guys, here you can see I am logged in, and after that now we need to go in the domain section. Simply click here domains, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are the domains that I have in the hostinger. Simply click here manage, and after that scroll down. Here you can see DNS name servers. So by default here I have existing name servers. Simply click here edit, then click here change name servers. Then after that scroll down. Here you can remove these name servers, and after that you will get a new name server from the new hosting company, for example Bluehost. Let me scroll down, and here this is official website, and they will give you name servers that you can simply copy and add here. For example, let me add here ns1.bluehost.com, and after that ns2.bluehost.com. so after that simply click here save button, and in this way you can easily change name servers in your hostinger domain. So thank you for watching.